Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial on how to enter recovery mode on your iPhone 14 Pro Max. Whether you are troubleshooting issues, updating your device, forgotten your passcode, or preparing for a jailbreak, knowing how to access recovery mode is essential. In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process. Before we begin, make sure you have your iPhone 14 Pro Max and a computer with iTunes or Finder installed. Also ensure that your device is charged and you have a lightning cable ready. Now let's get started on putting your iPhone 14 Pro Max into recovery mode. Follow these steps carefully. Connect your iPhone to PC using a lightning cable. Begin by pressing the volume up and volume down on the left side of your device. Now press and hold the side button, also known as power button, on the right side of your iPhone. While continuing to hold the side button, wait for the Apple logo to appear on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo, don't release the side button. After some time, you should see a prompt in iTunes or Finder indicating that a device in recovery mode has been detected and you need to restore or update your iPhone. Finally, release the side button on your iPhone. Your device is now in recovery mode. And there you have it. You have successfully entered recovery mode on your iPhone 14 Pro Max. You can now proceed with necessary updates, restores, or any other troubleshooting you need to do. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone 14 Pro Max tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.